Breaking news, the Chief of Defense Forces, CDF of the Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF, and Senior Presidential Advisor for Special Operations, Muhoozi has appointed Brigadier General Asaf Nyakikuru as the acting commander of the Special Forces Command, SFC, one of Uganda's most allied military formations. According to a statement issued on Monday, 3rd of August 2026, Brigadier General Nyakikuru has also been granted the acting rank of Major General. The appointment and promotion take immediate effect, placing him at the helm of the Special Forces Command, which is responsible for protecting the President, key national installations, and conducting specialized military operations. Acting Major General Asaf Nyakikuru succeeds David Mugisha, who is expected to leave the command in the coming months to undertake studies at a National Defense College, NDC, abroad. The advanced military course is designed to prepare senior officers for higher strategic leadership and national security responsibilities. The UPDF commended Major General David Mugisha for what it described as an outstanding tour of duty as commander of the Special Forces Command. Military leadership expressed appreciation for his service and wished him success in his forthcoming strategic security studies. The defense establishment also congratulated Acting Major General Asaf Nyakikuru on his appointment and promotion, expressing confidence in his ability to lead the Allied unit in fulfilling its constitutional and operational responsibilities. The announcement was made by Colonel Chris Magezi, the Acting Director of Defense Public Information at the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, that's MODVA/UPDF. He said the changes form part of the military's routine leadership transitions aimed at strengthening command structures and ensuring continuity in the country's defense and security operations. The Special Forces Command is a key branch of the UPDF with responsibilities that extend beyond presidential protection. The unit also undertakes counter-terrorism missions, special operations, and the protection of strategic national assets. Because of its critical role in Uganda's security architecture, changes in its leadership are closely watched within defense and political circles. With the immediate assumption of office by Acting Major General Nyakikuru, the UPDF says it remains committed to maintaining professionalism, operational readiness, and effective command as it continues to execute its national defense mandate. The leadership transition is expected to be seamless as the outgoing commander prepares for further professional military education overseas.